we come up a zebra and a baby zebra and a buffalo.
Oh no.
That's not a buffalo. What is that?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a ratty cow. Don't throw it too far out.
Nanny!
What is that, a zebra?
Nanny! The zebra bite a little bit.
No, they don't. Look how pretty that one is, Ada.
I like that one.
Yeah.
I have a zebra like that.
Yeah, look at that one here. Let's see.
Stop.
Stop, he said.
Here's that. What up there?
Throw it, Jack, to him. Good job, Jack. Okay, what is that, a camel?
Oh no.
Look at that camel. Stop. Let him see it.
Is that one the camel Pop got knocked off of?
Pop's never been on a camel. I said a donkey.
Oh.